I'm here in the kitchen, y'all, enjoying a little bit of my day by going back in the day with Cheryl Day.
Yay!
She has a fabulous bakery here in town. I'm gonna share a recipe with Cheryl, and this is one of my favorites, y'all, an Italian pasta salad. I've got some bow tie pasta that's ready. If you would drain that, Cheryl.
Sure.
Let's come on down here and we're gonna put together a pasta salad. Hopefully you'll like this and you can always
Paula, there's
serve
nothing
this.
you cook that I'm not gonna like.
Well, let's just say we appreciate each other's cooking.
Yes, we do.
All right, I'm gonna need like 2 cups of cherry tomatoes sliced in half, and I need a half of a bell pepper diced. And I've got some Kalamata olives, and I'm gonna need like 2/3 of a cup. So if you would just cut those in 2.
So this is like Italian pasta salad.
Yes. But you know, I like my pasta just a little on the sweet side.
Oh, me too.
Now we've got 1 4-ounce can of mushrooms, sliced mushrooms. We need 2/3 of a cup of that.
All right.
And then we've got some fresh Parmesan cheese. When we get all of our salad mixed up, we'll grate some of this on it.
Because Paula, you know, any recipe you can give me, because I'm still the baker.
I'm happy to share with you. I'm gonna start making our dressing.
Yum.
And Jamie made all my pasta salads in the bag. This was a big bag lady lunch that we served. And Jamie Deen got where he could make the best pasta salad. Now I'm measuring out 1 cup, and this was just a store-bought balsamic vinaigrette dressing. So you can
sweetness.
I do too. So I'm gonna put that in my bowl. And then I'm gonna add 1/4 of a cup of mayonnaise. And, you know, I'm just gonna kinda...
Paul, I think that's cool enough. I'm just
honey, here. You wanna take the spatula and give it a toss, or? Oh, that looks good. I love the bow tie. Now, you can use any kind of pasta that you want. And because I said I liked it a little sweet, here comes the sugar. I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon of sugar in that.
Yum.
So this is so easy to make. While I mix this up, you just go ahead and toss all those chopped veggies right on into our pasta. All right, stick your finger in this, Cheryl, and tell me what you think. Just stick your finger in it. Fingers are fine in my kitchen.
That's perfect.
It's good, isn't it?
It is
just
good.
That little,
nice little sweetness to it.
Just that little bit of sweet. And I'm gonna add just a little salt and pepper, just about a half a tablespoon of each. Then slice the Kalamata olives. Add them right along with the bell pepper and the dressing.
That's gonna be good with our sandwiches, Paula.
Yes, I can't hardly wait, Cheryl. Just mix it up now and top it with that grated Parmesan cheese. Well, Cheryl, now go ahead, honey, and serve up some of that Italian pasta salad for us.
Is that enough for you, Miss Paula?
Listen to the crunch. Oh, yeah.
Ooh, that looks so good.
Yeah, because I'm saving room for the dessert.
That looks so good.
Is this sinful or what, y'all?
Pretty sinful.
Looks delicious, Cheryl. Okay,
you grab
your stool out of this world. Yum, yum, yum. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.